Díos mar díomhagus bhór géad fáilte go dtí an bhfíseán seo, is mise imreoir a hain agus mar chéann sibh inniuh hamse Imirt GTA by City. Agam tús iarm org se subscribe leis an gcainéil agus ordóg a thart an bhfíseán a níis, mar ag an deire ha gacha leis nach meid tú a ggéire. Ham sé fós sách nua ag an greacha agus conaníir na rá libh sin nílam thar molla barta go fóil ach bhuiine man holt as an cluiche seo agus hasúlagum go raibh nóg sé libh sé chomá. Is even lamsa an cluiche seo agus ham sé just gan scuil leis an ceola bhar siúil go láir.
Tommy Vassetti? Huh, shit. Didn't think they'd ever let him out.
He kept his head down. Helps people forget.
People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business.
Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny?
We treat him like an old friend and keep him busy out of town, okay? We've been talking about expanding down south, right? Vice City is 24 karat gold these days. The Colombians, the Mexicans, hell, even those Cuban refugees are cutting themselves a piece of some nice action.
But it's all drugs, Sonny. None of the families will touch that shit.
Times are changing. The families can't keep their backs turned while our enemies reap the rewards. So, we send someone down to do the dirty work for us and cut ourselves a nice, quiet slice, okay? Who's our contact down there?
Ken Rosenberg, schmuck of a lawyer. How's he gonna hold Vassetti's leash?
We don't need him to. We just set him loose in Vice City. We give him a little cash to get started, okay? Give it a few months. Then we go down. Pay him a little visit, right? See how he's doing.
Hey guys, it's Ken Rosenberg here. Hey, great, hey. Well, I'm gonna drive you guys to the meet, okay? Now, I've talked to the suppliers and they are very keen to start a business relationship. So, if all goes well, we should be doing very nicely for ourselves, which is, you know, good. Okay, so they're brothers, okay? One operates the business and the other one does the fun. Okay, that's them in the chopper. All right, here's the deal. They want a straight exchange on open ground. All right? Okay, stay tight. Let's go.
Got it? 100% pure grade A Colombian, my friend.
Let me see it.
The greens?
10s and 20s. Used.
I think we have a deal, my friend.
Oh, shit. Come on, get out of here.
I poked my head out of the gutter for one freaking second and fate shovels shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do?
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
Okay, seo linn isteach sa cluiche, mar cíonn sibh hamse ag Imirt Vice City inniuh agus beagarbh sibh 6 fáinneach mar tha sé fad an lá nuair dhearnach rá sa Imirt an cluiche seo agus is cluiche sean glór haann so beag sé tamlíonn sula bhfuilm sé 6 i dtaithí na canapi ar fad ach tha sé go deas bheith ar ais mar seo now mar dúirt mé an tús nílim se thar molla barta agus beagarbh sé bheith fáinneach liom mar ní dul an go raibh sríomh níos fearr ná seo ag tiomáint in san gluiche seo thosaigh sais fiddly. Ach mar bhíos rá is fad an lán uirhearna go raibh imirt an gluiche seo agus is cluiche anna speisialta domsa mar seo an céad cluiche ceart a bhíos ag imirt nuair bhíos níos óige ó thaobh cluiche riomhre seo an céad ceann a bhí ag amsa nuair bhíos óg. So hashtag just about Russia by City Cockney na chuanta fada a chlig ag imirt an cluiche seo ag tiomáint timpeall na háite. Like is beag am chaithne ag duineh na missions críochnaí ben cluiche ach cá mé anna chud am just ag dul timpeall ag duineh rudí fánacha in san gluiche, so hashtag just about Rush. Okay, so is mar dúirt mé is cluiche seangalóir atá a gcuineann so is gá dul go dtí áitir le chun an cluiche a thabhairt. So agus hasise tábhachtach é sin dhéanamh 6 rialta mar má aon tú bás bíon ort sa dul reis agus anna chud obair a dhéanamh as an nua, so níl naríir a hir sin dhéanamh rómhainnig, so beidh méid teacht reis an chun an cluiche thabhairt rialta a ggóhan.
Word up!
Hello, Sonny.
Tommy, it's been too long. I know, you're just overwhelmed with emotion. 15 years.
Seems like only yesterday.
I guess that's a perspective thing.
Hey, doing time for the family is no piece of cake, but the family looks after its own, okay? So how'd the deal go down? You sitting on some white gold?
Look, Sonny, we were set up. The deal was an ambush. Harry and Lee were dead.
You better be kidding me, Tommy! Tell me you still got the money.
No, Sonny. I don't have the money.
That was my money, Tommy! My money! You better not be screwing me, Tommy, because you know I'm not a man to be screwed with!
Wait, Sonny. You have my personal assurance that I'm going to get you your money back. And the drugs. And I'm going to mail you the dicks of those responsible.
Hey, I already know that. You're not a fool, Tommy, but I warn you. Neither am I. If it was anybody else, you'd be dead already. But because it's you, because we got history, I'm going to let you handle this.
Look, Sonny, you got my word.
I'll be in touch.
Okay, Shulin. So in san gluiche seo níl se chun mór an chur mú bhlam sa dul raig isteach in na mission agus iad all déanta mar bhíos orlah bhí sé nó gom just bheith ag plaicíad cart duna faic agus dólam bhí sé ceartlóir ar bhíos I mé ar a dhéanamh ach bhí dólam go méid sé róspéisiúil díobse, so ham sé chun brú raig leis an scéal agus na mission ar gríoch. Has sé 6 mar rúna gom an cluiche Imirt Thús Deireadh, ní in san bhfíseán seo dar nói ach has sé beidir 6 trá bhfíseán in san gluiche seo dhéanamh chunaí a chríoch nó, aberlum más mailibh sé sin eáil agus déitna dhéanamh.
Go get some sleep, he says. I have been sitting in this chair all night with the lights off, drinking coffee. This is a disaster. We are so screwed, man. These gorillas, listen to me, are gonna come down here and rip my head off. It's ridiculous. I did not go to law school for this. Okay, now what the hell are we gonna do?
Shut up, sit down, relax. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. You're gonna find out who took our cocaine, and then we're gonna kill them.
That's a good idea. That's a great idea. Let me think. Oh, there's this retired colonel, Colonel Juan Garcia Cortez. He's the one that helped me set up this deal well away from Vice City's established thugs, okay? Now listen, he's holding his party out in the bay on his expensive yacht, and all of Vice City's big players are gonna be there, okay? I have an invite. Of course I have an invite. But there's no way that I'm going out there, sticking my head out the door. No way,
I
not
told
gonna happen.
you, shut up. I'll go myself.
Oh, whoa. Hey, I like 1978 too, but you know, this isn't gonna be a beer and strippers do. I mean, no offense, but I think that you might turn heads on the runway for the wrong reasons.
What's wrong with the way I'm dressed?
Okay, look, here, stop by Raphael's. Tell him I sent you. He'll make you look respectable. Okay, go, come on.
What does that guy think he is? Now I gotta dress like a chump as well as hang out with them? I like this shirt.
So yeah, stocha go gach ile cluthe GTA mar seo Agam Thús bíonn ort dulgadí an siúpa agus éadí nua all mar stocha raibh an mechanic sin in gach ile ceanndóibh go raibh tú an ann sais an héadí bhí ort athrú agus bhí si de gira sais é a haspáint ag tús an cluthe gach uair. So agus bíonn sé sais éasca dul a daithí ar chunas dul timp an léirscáil chunas an cluthe úsáid so that's good guys. Gonna be cearach cear leis an rothair sin.
Nice bike.
Sin é go é hastig tarint ard ar na glúiseothar mar in san gluthe GTA a tháinig ribh seo ní raibh tú nán you have glúiseothar fáil in san cluthe so bhí tarint ard ar in san cluthe so is féidir glúiseothar a úsáid so just a cutscene jazz can sin ag chuirnúil an san. Ok, haimid chun dul dír go raibh agus an céad mission eile dhéanamh. Mar dúirt mé han céad cúpla mission sách saimplí níl siad ró dúshlánach so ní cór go méid an amach a strain armsa in san bhfíseán seo ná riara. Timpiste eile. Ach arlaid tá gunna ansa domsa so seans go meid sé sin cabhar chamach ansa. Ok, isteach le. Kosher.
Buenas noches. I understand you are here on the behalf of Mr. Rosenberg. I hope any recent problems have not affected his health or mental well-being, Mr.
Versetti. He's just got a touch of agoraphobia.
Excellent, excellent. And you?
I just want my merchandise.
It's an unfortunate set of circumstances for all involved. Of course, I have initiated my own lines of inquiry, but such a delicate matter will take time. Perhaps we'll talk later. Meanwhile, let me introduce you to my daughter. Miss Edis! Cara mia, could you look after our guest while I attend to my necessary obligations?
Of course, Daddy.
Please, excuse me.
Mercedes?
You try living with it. Anyway, let me point out some of our more distinguished guests. That's our Congressman Alex Shrub with Rising Silicone Star, Candy Sachs.
And have you met my lovely wife, Laura? No? Well, unfortunately, she's in Alabama. This is Candy.
And over there, we have the Vice City Mamba's star titan, BJ. Always the charmer.
I blocked down on him, and then I put him in a wheelchair.
That is good. Well, now, I'm looking at some prime...
And that poolside amphibian is Jez Torrent, lead singer with Love Fist.
Can I tell you, do you know how they play ping pong? It's silent. Let me tell you. It does not involve a paddle, if you know what I mean.
Impotent. And the chatty trio, that sleeping sweat gland is Papa's right-hand gimp, Gonzalez. And the other two are Pastor Richards and pseudo-intellectual film director Steve Scott.
Throws a passion with the nympho invaders when the giant shark comes in and just bites their dicks off. Now, you never saw anything like that before.
Colonel, your party does ever a triumph. I can only apologize.
Well, de nada, amigo. How do we find you?
Our business is very trying. Barbarians at the gate. A time for rewarding one's friends and liquidating one's enemies, amigo.
Who's the loudmouth?
Ricardo Diaz. He's Mr. Coke.
Mercedes!
Oh, I was just taking my friend back into town. Another time, Ricardo.
Ricardo, let's go.
Let's get out of here. Actually, take me to the pole position.
Drinks.
Will you be working for my father?
Maybe.
Do you mind me resting my hand in your lap?
Maybe.
It's so difficult having a rich and powerful father. Vamos.
Ok, alright, lingadí clubnas trúpéirí. Agus mar dar níl sé ró gatach ansa na cúpla ceann na mission seo dhéanamh.
see you around, handsome.
I'm sure you will.
Bhíonn sé gcónaí tábhachtach de chuid leiscéalte a bheith go díreach ag an tús ó thaobh an cúiscuil tú go hána sé gimmart an gluthe agus sé an leiscéal a gam díobhse inniuh ná ghfuilim sé ag gimmart an laptop seachas an PlayStation. Níor bhíos níos óige is an PlayStation 1 ag an am a bhíos ag gimmart an gluthe sa. So sé 6 aisteach a bheith ag gur imirt leis an méarchlár agus sam sé fósaigh dul le daithí agus is cluitheach sean é chomá so ní bhíonn sé go díreach mar an ggéine ó thaobh na controls le gná cluichí san lá an jobhan so tógann sé tamlíonn dul le daithí leis an legan amach ach hasúla go nach chuirg sé isteach arbhse an namarcha bhfuilm sé 6 ar fud na háite ag an tús. Ná bhfuil na bhfuil.
Well, I hope you're having a good time, because I'm going out of my mind with worry here. What did you find out?
That there are more criminals in this town than in prison. We need a lead from the streets.
Okay, let me think. Ah, I got it. Okay, there's this limey, some music industry slimeball. Goes by the name of Kent Paul. Anyway, he's got his nose so far up most of Vice City's ass that if anybody knows the whereabouts of 20 keys of coke, it's this guy, all right? He's always at the Malibu.
I'll go pay him a visit.
Take it easy now.
No, an apólaí mííag. So is garm sa a bheith cuairmach can iad a hachant. Ok, reigling go dtí an Malibu. Níor bhíos níos óige bhí an léirscáil seo a gomsa de Glanmheabhair mar caithfí an oiread sin ama ag imirt an cluiche but tha sé ar fad dearmata go na fós 6 táis a gom 6 cabhail sé agus há an léirscáil an san so tha sé éasca glór stuff a aimimsú ach bheadh sé saimúna féchant an dagan an san ólas sin arás me cligan tríis tamil a caithfan san gluthe á rís ó thaobh cabhail gachard agus na tricks agus chunas rudí saimúla a dhéanamh.
Where'd you pop up from? I've been looking for a bird like you for ages, mate. You know why?
I'm looking for some English guy.
Kent Paul. Kent Paul, mate. Yeah, I'm the governor around here. I'll sort things out. You know what I mean? I'll treat you. Whatever you want, I'll get you, girl. Don't you worry about a thing, mate.
Get lost, honey.
Oi.
You Kent Paul? I'm a friend of Rosenberg's.
Rosenberg. Oh, that bonkers ambulance chaser. That guy could defend an innocent man all the way to death row. Get another drink, bruv.
Everybody's a comedian. Listen to me. I'm missing 20 keys and a lot of cash.
Drugs, mate? It's a mug's game.
What do you know about it?
Well, what I was coming to was, there's some chef come trumpet shifter who deals at kitchen of a hotel on Ocean Drive. He's been looking real pleased with himself lately. You could go and check him out.
I will. And I'll be seeing you around.
Yeah, that's right. Go and walk away, you mug. I knock you spark out. Give me a drink. And where's that slut?
Ok, regular. So, mas bun mo chuigna is gadam sa dul síos sa agus an cócrú Captain warú, like ní bhíon éon gona I gceist ach Captain go mín sé marh ag an deire agus is gá fón a chuidhhaid sin a méid. Sin é an san.
Hey, what you looking at? You better start talking. Hey, make me, you prick. You think you can fight me?
Agus sin é.
way to go, tough guy. Beat him to a pulp. That should make him real chatty.
You want some too?
Hey, chill. I want what you want, brother.
Oh, yeah? And what's that?
Your green and my dead brother's white lady. Unfortunately, you just silenced our lead.
Accidents happen. Get lost.
Hey, whoa. No need to go all long range on my ass. The way I see it, we two hombres in a strange town. We need to watch each other's back.
My back's just fine, brother.
You sure about that? Here, take this. Follow me. This way.
Now, níl gáin lads seo óharú ach bhfuilm sa tríú an das an gunna. Cuairmach. Sné. Agus is féidir an spíonáil. Yeah, no, Súil and carbonite come out. Okay, there we go. Yep.
One thing you gotta realize about this town, you gotta pack some heat. Local gun shop's a couple of blocks away.
It's Bralum and Carha glance and white and furnace. Oh shit, oh no, yes, Bralum say come out and Osfield. Okay, right, Lingadi Shup in the Gunny, mar beg she thabhairtach and some chuid elven cluthe, gunna a beg with it, euros fader. So, Shans can make me known, needs more ammo, knach, Shans, so. Not a man will glor arrogant to come sick on ammo, knach, so, ach, bang back mit. I'm just going to stack back into the main road to Knach. Deer can make car to go. Connors. Okay. Some okay. Okay, I'll rush no stone in. Oh, the hard and stuff. Okay, agus an ban boxin marv. Goes just gabn leis gil as an droch to mind.
You good little turd. I'm gonna go see what I can dig up. I'll be watching you, Tommy.
Bra, okay, I'm just going to hobble.
You can do with a walk.
Oh, that's alright then. Here? That's okay, so I'm actually buich gorairglams an cluiche seo Imirt in from mar dúirt mé ham sé Imirt ar an laptop agus you're víos to gear is lódal sé Imirt. Ní rah gairglam né from mar how mé cré naib hí sais laptop soach nua hagamsa agus ní raibh sé ag gahant an seanna cluiche so bhí anna chud obair fadar fad agamsa chun é car gobar agus go mbeidh mé an Imirt. Is a reading gross nach gross just a coffin ma hostel leis.
Hey, Leo, I think we got a buyer for Diaz's merchandise. Gotta give him a ring, man. Set up the deal, you know?
Where are you now?
You okay, Leo? You sound kinda different.
Just tell me where you are.
Who the hell is this? Put Leo on, man.
Leo's got away for a while. He left me in charge.
Screw you, man.
sake, it's you. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna need new pants. Hey, those psychos from up north, they've been on the horn, and they're coming down here soon. Now, where is the goddamn money?
Relax, relax. We're not at that part yet.
Oh, I thought that you were taking care of this. I really did. And now those Guidos say we gotta do them a favor.
You mean I gotta do them a favor?
Oh, of course that's what I mean. Do I look like I can intimidate a jury? I couldn't intimidate a child, and believe me, I've tried. Now look, it's either that or Forelli's cousin Giorgio gets 5 years for fraud. You gotta take these guys out.
I understand. Help the jury change their minds. Don't worry about it.
No! I tried that. The jury case didn't go so well. So make them change their minds.
Alright, more crap to wipe up. What did I do wrong in a past life?
Súil galore.
Dumb Florida moron.
Yeah.
You like me, you gotta do better than that.
Okay. You know, Shukiandas na cluichí is fearlam ó héann ceolda, agus is mór an trúan nach féidir am é a chasadíomh mar dar nó beag feibh na cóp cearta gom an sa ar YouTube ach chun níor nará libh go bhrealamsa an glúis go ceol a héana leis an glúis seo áil mar an ceol seo just arás ar fad. Okay, na go bhistám is gáramsa an hammer úsáid chun Is batrál dhéana bhar an gársá. Na mé gádam sa gacha le físa a batrál a fan bheith an lóir seo. Yeah,
I can't believe this is happening. Giorgio sends his regards.
Oh, my car. Huh. Ar chuis sé an níl an car dul siar san bhé seodam. No, feibna beaga technúla. Ah, ha sé go bhaine se. Okay, agus is gáram sa goban núsach an ord céine of le car eile hís an sa. Which mar bhís rá, like, is even am an ceol in English. Like, we should know so confused one just a bheith gaiisteach leis ag tmáint sús síos an trá a gaiisteach leis na stáisiún radio. We should just arouse. Agus hasáis ha Jack chuidní gom sa ar ceol de chuid na hochtadaí ó hin mar dhealar an gluitheasa. Agus siomad. So go bhiste mas gadam san fear seo a bhuaile agus an san bhíon timpiste go sin é. Agam á.
Hey man, my car! Leave my damn car alone, man! Yo man, I still got payments to make on this! Oh please guys, someone help me!
Giorgio sends his regards.
Agam á. Mar dúirt mé an céad cúpla mission in san gluitheasa sách saimplí. So maybe an urgent strain on set either for great. Stacklin. Okay, Shanavan. Okay, well, talk later the marinas.
Hey, Tommy, it's Sonny. How's the suntan?
I ain't got no suntan.
We ain't got my money either, so I'm running it myself. What are you doing? So tell me something. What are you doing?
Out looking for the money, Sonny. Don't worry.
I am worried, Tommy. That's my style, because I seem to have this problem in my life with unreliable people. Don't be an unreliable person, Tommy, please. Do us both a favor. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.
Okay, tá sé condal síos a chana cléhabháil anis riomhfolaisteach san chéad mission eile mar ceapan gur ben chéad ceann eile an chéad ceann sais a ha pís beag ciúteach agus just aragla na hagla barlamsa é hábháil anis seachas gachail ar dhéanamh arís. Ok, am sé dír trééis mar duine agus a raglann leis an bhfíseán agus isteachlinn go dtí an chéad mission eile. So begin to roll cad a stoilúise táiste gom gur sean cluithe a tháán ach fós éin, is sais classic atá an comá so hasúla gom gomuiniú soltas arblam a hasise bh ggéar amsa dul raig agus telefíseán dhéanamh insan cluiche mar gur bhil amsa dhéanamh. Agus is tócha fiú mar úlaim si déanana físeán an si chun dul raig gimmart an cluiche mar cé go bhfuil comáis sean ar inis fós hasise spríomh.
It goes without saying. Tommy, any progress? No. Tell me later. Tommy, this is Avery Carrington. I believe you met at the party?
Not in person.
Howdy.
Avery here has a proposition.
Haven't we got other things on our mind?
I'm trying to keep the wolves from the door. So could you please cut me some slack? I'm stretched like a wire, and even if I'm dead by the end of the week, I'd like to think that I didn't die poor.
Now just calm down, both of you. Son, you help me, and any greaseballs giving you a hard time, I'll see to it they take a long dirt nap.
Okay, what can I do for you?
This delivery company's got its depot on some prime land. They won't sell it. They're hanging on like a big old prairie rat. So we gotta go in there and smoke that vermin out. Head on down there and stir up a hornet's nest. The security will have their hands full, and then you can sneak in and put them out of business.
And you could drop by Raphael's for a change of clothes. You might be there a while, but yeah, go for it.
Should be a riot.
The balls drop like they should. Stop by my office sometime.
Who are these pricks anyway? Lawyer pricks, rug-wearing pricks, surrounded by pricks.
I'm not crazy about that sort of thing.
Okay, yeah, Sean Cade mission ha písa beag ciúteach agus is gadam sa bheith cuairmach mar détá bása áil in san ceann sa go háirithe mar Más bún mo chuibhne is gá dul go dtí áis ar le chun sais riot hasnú sin natá ar an levéil seo. So is gá ceapan dul trid le ceafar fear agus an san is le dul raigí an céad chuid eile, but leanan an ceafar sin tú bíonn siad gur tú a bhuala, so tá sé éasca go leor bása áil mar bhfuil tú cuairmach, so hasúla go nach mégamsa an levéil seo dhéanamh arís. Agus a ríis. Mar is caiinam san nuair fís níos óige ceapan greibh sé dhéanamh sé ó 7 uair ribh é dhéanamh gceart. Tá sé aiste go bheith arás in san gluiche seo arís mar fiú na fuaimhin an na cáran an fiú doras oscailt ruí beag mar sin, há siad granta isteach am ligean mar caibar capna na céad uair ligean go mar pe gluiche. So yeah, sé sais aisteach a bheith arás ag aisteacht leis an stuff seo arís. Okay, trid. Fucker. On. Níos mór daoine. Trid. Okay, it's Russian. Okay, let's got him to fall trade leis na box seo. Agus gáil domsa just an truck seo a phléasca. Ok, bastard, ná fáig boss. Agus sinné. Ok. Ní raibh sé có ciúteachas a ceapna go mbeoch, buchas le dia. Agus tá mission nua oscailte gom leis le gcuine Avery Carrington, so beag sin go deas. Beag round éagsúil a gom amachchas ó thaobh céir a gach le duine. Ok, so ham sé chun dul dír go reis chun an cluiche a thabháil anois, mar nílim sé gur an levéil áirithe sin a dhéanamh arís. Agus an sanna stopa ham sé chun críoch a car leis an bhfíseán, mar tha mo ggóthain déanta a gom inniuh. Agus mar dúirt me hena hain, bhí cinnte arálam má se bh gur tuile bhfíseán a eáil, mar gur bhheilm sa sra bhfíseán í an san cluiche seo agus é Imirt Thús Deireadh. So yeah, Arbalam for a captain.
Hola, is this Mr. Versetti?
Yeah.
This is Cortez. You were at my party?
Yeah, I remember.
Mr. Versetti, it was a most unfortunate incident that happened with your business deal.
I know.
I want you to know me and my people are doing their utmost to get to the bottom of it. If you'd like to talk to me more privately, you can find me at the boat. Okay? Good day, senor.
Okay, so an chéad bhfíseán le beag Cortez agus Avery le déanamh gin. Okay, gur míle maithbh as bheith brandúarmsa ag Imirt an cluiche seo, agus go dtí céad ó eile.